Entering a clean home, end of tenancy cleaning tips. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. It is an obvious fact that moving into a new home can be very stressful and exciting. You need to keep your home in the best condition in terms of health and safety, especially if your family has little kids. As a side tip, always try to make sure you have thoroughly read all the terms and conditions of your tenancy agreement and make sure you are comfortable with them. Welcome once again to another health-inspiring blog post from FastKlean. Here at FastKlean, we try our best to give you all the tips you need to stay healthy, not to talk of the professional help we offer for a little fee. In this video, we will be discussing how to clean your home at the end of a tenancy. It is always best to do your end of tenancy cleaning early, making sure you are able to pack into a new house with no residual harmful germs and dirt. Some prefer to hire professionals, and talking about professionals, we are the best you can offer. Some others prefer to do it themselves because of the cost-effectiveness and the peace of mind that comes with the knowledge that you cleaned your new home by yourself. So, where are those places one should clean? The living room. This is the first place every visitor goes to when they visit any home. So, a dirty living room certainly creates a wrong first impression. The main things to tackle in a living room are the carpets and the furniture. Use a vacuum cleaner for the carpets and for the tougher stains, and you can always use the services of a professional. The shelves, tables, upholstery, cupboards, TV stands, and cabinets should be cleaned and polished thoroughly. The windows and walls. Inspect the walls for scuff marks and try to wash them off. If the stains prove too stubborn, it is always better to repaint them with the same color or any other design of your choice. The windows should be cleaned effectively with powerful cleaning solutions or with the help of professionals. The bathroom. There are always stains in the bathroom, as long as it is frequently being used. So, take some extra time to wipe off all the stains that may be in the sinks, toilet, bath, tiles, and even on the mirrors. Make sure the drains in the sinks are working perfectly to prevent blockages. All metallic surfaces in the bathroom like the shower heads and taps should also be cleaned. The most effective solutions to use in this type of cleaning should be organic ones. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. The kitchen. This is most likely the one place you need to pay the closest attention to because it is where your food is being prepared. It definitely has to be free of dirt and germs. Empty the shelves and cupboards, and wipe thoroughly with the eco-friendly and reusable bamboo cleaning cloth. Also, clean the appliances and behind them. There is sure to be built-up grime in the dishwashers, ovens, and washing machines, so they need to be cleaned thoroughly. The refrigerator may be your next stop. It should be clean inside and out. Remove all the racks, fridge trays, and cabinet shelves and immerse these items in soapy water. After washing them, rinse with clean water and sun-dry them. The hallways and staircases. These are the most frequently used areas of the house, so they are liable to attract more germs. This means that they also need extra care and attention. Also, the garden should be swept, and the plants there should be tended properly to avoid the breeding of dangerous insects and animals there. Depending on how big your new home is, there may be some other places in the house that need to be clean. In this video, we touched all the basic areas. In this time of the coronavirus pandemic, your health and safety are paramount, so you should endeavor to take the end of tenancy cleaning seriously. In the event that professional help is needed, we at FastKlean are a call away. If this article answered some of your questions, please like and share it. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and drop your views and comments about cleanliness. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out top secrets of professional cleaning. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.